So, you are rolling out an event with limited seating, but your guests will have to register within a very specific period of time. With WP Fluent Forms scheduling feature, you can now schedule a form's live period easily. From the Fluent Forms menu, select the form you want to activate this feature on. Go to Settings and Integrations. Scroll down to Scheduling and Restrictions section on the Form Settings page. Toggle on the Form Scheduling option. Click on the Submission Starts field. A drop-down calendar will appear. Select your starting date and time. Similarly, select your submission ends date. Compose the message to be shown before the starting date. Compose the message to be shown after the finishing date. Save your settings and preview. See how easy it is? So download WP Fluent Forms now and forget all the hassles of setting up event registration forms. Like this video and tell us about your experience in the comments below. Subscribe to this channel for further updates.